everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a quick Dollar Tree haul. Take it. I'm going to show you really quick what I got. I went to buy gift bags and gift wrapping paper because I ran out the one I had, and I was lucky to find some of the stuff that I got because I'm going to do a Christmas game for the kids, which I usually do, but I sometimes do the one that has like cups and you poke in the cup, it gives you a number, then that number has a toy. This time I'm going to do a little tent, like a mini cupcake tent, and then they're going to bounce a ball and then it'll land in a number, and that number will be for a certain bag, and that bag will have a certain something. So I'm going to show you, and these are also good stocking stuffers if you would want to use that for that as well. So yeah, hopefully that light lets me show you. Let me show you. Oh, let's do this side, shall we? Yeah, I think we're better on this side. We're a little bit lopsided, but yeah. Okay, so first of all, I am very lucky because I always find what I need. Yes, I do. So thanks to God. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show you these baggies that I've got. These are $1.25, and they look like postage. So there's the snowman, there's the reindeer, and then there's a polar bear, and they had one more which the outline was red but I couldn't reach. It was red and it had not a polar bear, a penguin. But I got this one, polar bear, reindeer, and snowman. The snowman is the only one that has an accent. Oh, never mind. The polar bear has the snow and the stamp. The reindeer has the antlers and the bow. And the snowman is the earmuffs and the scarf. And on the wrapping paper, you have your regular $1.25 wrapping paper, and then you had your $3 one, which it was a little bit thicker, and then there was this one. I think I got lucky with this one because it was the only one, and I saw a person right there like saying like, what in the world? This was $5, but it's very thick, very heavy, and it looks decent, kind of like a Walmart kind of a deal. But I don't think in Walmart is $5. If it is, comment down below. It is by Christmas House gift wrap. $5, a whipping $5, which I think I was lucky because I'd rather buy this one for $5 that I have enough than 3 for $1.25. That's $3.75. Yeah. Okay. Next, I finally found these. I have hauled these before. These are for my daughter's class goodie bags. I have hauled these on another haul. They're just like these. They're the balloons that you whack and then you get your balloon. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 in a pack. So I got that one for her class. Finally got them. And I also got this ones for my other daughter class because I had another kind of candy. This one is for hers. This is the candy cane spoon peppermint flavor. Instead of getting a candy cane, I'm gonna give them this one. They do come like in a tin foil like that, so hopefully I can cut with scissors. I can cut it like slightly here, and then they'll have their individual spoon and it's individually wrapped kind of thing. Look at all good. It even has the scissors. Look at that. It shows you where to cut. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Good. This is very nice. Okay, the next thing that I've got was these Rudolph. It's a trail mix. It's a snack mix, and it has peanut butter filled chocolates, pretzel sticks, and peanuts. I got this one for my coworkers to add them to their gift. I have 2 coworkers that I work like this, so I got that one for them. I thought it was cute. It's a salty sweet treat. I got these to try them out. They are the Moon Hydrogel Eye Mask, and it's one pair only. And look, it has like little sparkly things. I want to try it out. Then I also got these for my daughter's stocking stuffers. They are Lucky Charms and Cinnamon Toast Crunch lip glosses. Scented lip oil, it says, but it's like glittery. It's not gonna have a tint. It's like glittery, and I might add these to their stocking stuffers. And now these items, let me put this together because I gotta run. I almost need to go to work, so I have to get ready. So okay, there's that. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the stuff that I got for that game that I tell you. I'm going to be including these were the bags. See, these I hauled this before too. They're 10 treat bags, and there's that. I'm not sure if I got 20 or not last time, but it had these and other designs that were like snowman, kind of candy cane, trees, and I can remember. On this one, I will put the gift inside the bag, and then the bag will have a number. So when they bounce out the ball into the tent, it'll give them their price. Like kind of advent calendar kind of thing. So these items that I'm going to show you are for that game. So I'm going to show you. First of all, I'm going to show you these two little reindeer plushes. Now these plushes are chocolate scented. Look at that. Chocolate scented. $1.25. They do smell like chocolate. They had this one, and they had another color, like a little bit lighter than this, like kind of like this color. But these are so cute. I always check on their faces to see which one's the nicest looking one. Oh, here, I also got these. Let me take them out. Gift tissue, and it has these patterns: the tree, red, the plaid, and the green. I got 2 of those packets. That's what I went for: the wrapping paper, the gift bags, and that wrapping thing, and also one of these just white gift bag. On December, there's a lot of presents, a lot of birthdays, so I got that one for a birthday. I also got this 20 loot bag, which is just clear, for a goodie bag idea that I have. And then the rest now are for those gifts. So I got these. These were the only 2 different ones. These are $3, but it's ice creams, strawberry and ice creams mint. And this is a scented slimy with sprinkles. So it's like a little set to do slime. I'm thinking it's $3. It's different for the kids to look at and then decide if they want to do one. There's this one, headbands. This was $1.25 though. Oh, it's right there, $1.25. This headbands the game, right? Very, very nice. Okay, then the next one were these 2. They light up. This one I don't think. This one's just like a squishy kind of thing. This $1.25 as well. This is called a squeezy toy, and this one lights up, and this one, it's just a little monster like that, and little thing. There's those 2. Then I got these. These are like soft squishies, $1.25 as well. I got the ones that look the cutest. This is like a little seal, a little, thinking it's a seal, I don't know, dinosaur, and then this little gecko looking like, yeah. And then I got these because they're hilarious and they all look different. Look at the green one, has that kind of a hat. This one is like an aviator and it's like pink. You probably see a red. This one has the top hat yellow, and this is a cap and it's blue. $1.25 to annoy the heck out of us in the Christmas night. I also got these. Now these two are candy. They had other flavors, a green one and some other one. I can't remember. It could have been apple. This one is strawberry and this is blueberry. Strawberry and blueberry. Looks like it's toothbrush or something, toothpaste, but it says squeeze candy. So I thought it was fun. It's kind of different. I also got only one of these because it is going to be in my sister's house. I don't want to make a mess of the goofy string. I only got one of those. So there is that. And then the big one, this one was $5. And this is the Jumbo Squishy Ball. And stretch and squeeze, super squishy. And they had this orange one, pink and blue. So I got the neutral color too. If a girl or boy wins it, it's orange. Orange, orange, orange. So there is that. And I think that's it. Oh, and on the cashiers, they had these. They were $5 though. And it's the Vice Air True Wireless Earphone Bluetooth 2 Boom. It says this is how they look. And it's 12-hour playtime. And on my Dollar Tree, for these kind of items that are like this, she told me that, I guess that store, if I save the package and I save the receipt, I had a month if I needed to return them if they didn't work no more for the Dollar Plus items. So there's that. Maybe it could be different in your Dollar Tree, so don't count me on that. But yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, that is all. That is all that I have for you guys today. Probably my favorite part, my favorite that I think they're gonna love is this one, and my funny one would be the chickens. Other than that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for subscribing. Hopefully you are finding all of your goodies, because right now is the time to go look for them, or else all the Dollar Trees are going to be picked over and you're not gonna find any. I think I am done for the most part on my buying shenanigans for the holidays. I will stop now. But other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Happy hunting, happy shopping, and happy holidays. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.